Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can complete the rumor quest in fishit Roblox. So if you've been struggling to finish the rumor uh, quest in here because you don't know the exact spot to fish in the new laboratory area at Kohana, you can just follow my guide in here in this video. So the laboratory is a pretty new location in the Kohana Islands, and if you're confused whether for the exact location to fish inside the laboratory, as you guys can see, there's no water in here to fish. You can just follow my leads in here. So what you need is just walk near this windows right here, and you can just start equip your rod in here. You can use the Autofish, and this is the location. As you guys can see, the fish will be increased in here. Okay, so I've already had 10 by fishing in this location, and after that you can just go back to build to finish the quest and get the rewards. So that's how you can finish the rumor quest in Kohana Island in fishit. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks.